Many people the world over believe that life exists or once existed on Mars, and over the years many mysterious objects have been discovered on the planet. In this video we take a look at an alleged UFO hovering above Mars. Now before I start, it's important to remember that UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. It's only been in the last few decades that UFOs have somehow been connected to alien life. As I've mentioned before, most sightings can be explained. One of my subscribers sent me this photo a while back. She stated that she was on the Mars Rover app and came across these photos. She said the following: "I couldn't believe what I found. The strange object looks to be hovering. I have no idea what it is. You can clearly see the space between the craft and the surface. This really is a great capture. I can't think of what this object could be. Perhaps it's some type of illusion. I'm interested to hear your theories, so don't forget to leave a comment." Earth is the only place we know for certain supports life. Many claims have been made by observers who thought they saw evidence of life on Mars, but we now know they were tricked by very difficult measurements. From Earth, even with our most powerful telescopes, we cannot see enough detail on Mars to answer this question. While robotic spacecraft have given us wonderful views, no humans have ever tried to journey to Mars, and no such missions will be attempted for many years. In the meantime, NASA is working very hard to discover whether there is life on Mars. The United States and other countries have been sending spacecraft to orbit or land there since the 1960s, and each mission tells us more about this fascinating planet. We have learned that even though Mars is more similar to Earth than anywhere else in the solar system, and therefore is a good place to look for life, is still different from Earth in many ways. A compass points to the North Pole on Earth because our whole planet acts like a giant magnet, but Mars does not act this way. Besides turning a compass needle, Earth's magnetic field turns away any dangerous particles of space radiation. Without a magnetic field on Mars, and with much less air than on Earth, more harmful space radiation reaches its surface. Although some measurements tells us there probably is water on Mars, there is far less than on Earth, and it's so cold there that most of its water is probably not liquid but rather is ice. Overall, Mars would be a pretty uncomfortable place to try and live. Here is another unidentified flying object spotted above the red planet. It matches similar objects seen here on Earth. Most people have never heard of pareidolia, but nearly everyone has experienced it. Anyone who has looked at the moon and spotted two eyes, a nose and a mouth has felt the pull of pareidolia. It's the imagined perception of a pattern where it does not actually exist. It's picking a face out of a knotted tree trunk, or finding zoo animals in the clouds. But many have questioned how this can be pareidolia. We can clearly see an object hovering in the sky. Guesses for what it is range from atmospheric phenomena to meteorites. But what do you think it is? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more countdown videos.